Okay, so what he's doing here is scuffing up the whole hood. It's already been cleared. Wait till you see the color of this thing when we get over here. Look at this. Amazing, right? So this is the spot he hasn't scuffed. So yeah, we are going to scuff up this beautiful clear coat job. Oh, now he's doing a little bit by hand, blowing it off. This is the static gun. This takes away all of the static electricity. Really spot on. So many metallics. There's gold in it. It's almost got a prism thing going on in this paint. This paint is amazing. It's so dark in the dark light and so dark green metallic-y in the light. It's crazy. Let's go watch him do this right now. That's a gun right there. So it adjusts the pressure automatically, tells you the angle that you're at, keeps you precise. Very cool. He's just setting it up right now. He's going to head back over and get the static off himself and off the hood again before he shoots it. Very thorough paint guy. Damon's Collision, Kelsey, New York. Before shot. And now he's going to tack cloth the hood off. Yeah, it comes back, and it comes back hardcore. So he's, keep in mind, he's already hit one color clear. Now what this does, it takes the static off of everything. So that takes the static off. So nothing's attracted to the hood or him while he's painting. I've never seen one of these things before, but man, he's got it all. And again, with the tack cloth. Very, very thorough. All right, and here we go with our second coat of clear. Isn't this amazing thinking? This is going over the scuffed up clear and the color is just all coming back. It's so counterintuitive, but yet so cool to watch this take shape. Inside this booth when the rest of the Corvette comes up here and is ready for paint. I'm working on it right now as fast as I can, guys, but I need to make this thing nice. And what's the sense of putting a paint job on it like this if it's not perfect, right? All right, and now we're on to coat number 3. Third, actually. This is going to be nice. Wow. It's amazing. Okay, so I am leaving his shop right now, and I gotta tell you, wow, guys, I can't convey it in the video right now for you to see it, because the way he paints in a certain light that shows flaws and blemishes, that because you want to correct them. let's just say when you put the UV light on this thing is gorgeous. What a color. I mean, better than I expected. We knew what we wanted for a color, better than expected, but I let him put his little touch in it too. He knows what he's doing, and it looks awesome. So the hood is painted, so we know what color it's going to be. I'm going to come back this afternoon, probably, if it's still sunshining, but it's supposed to thunderstorm, which doesn't look like it right now, but it's supposed to. So, yeah, we'll see it in the sun, at least, maybe, if it's not too late. And if it storms, I'm not picking it up, because I'm just not going to try to bring it out of the shop and then into the back of the SUV with it raining and stuff. We'll just wait until tomorrow. But it looks so good, and he's so thorough. And he's kind of getting excited to shoot the car now, too, the rest of the car. So I got to get my ass moving on the bodywork for sure. Man, this is exciting. Seeing that color just put a little spring in my giddy up to get this car done. So I'm going back to the house now. I'm going to do a little more work on it. And I'll be talking to you guys in a minute and show you this hood. So stay right there. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, there is the reveal. This is this hood. This is the color that our C3 is going to be. Now, in sunlight, this is a whole different animal, and I'm going to get up close and kind of show you. You see how this green kind of fades into a black into the back here, and that's kind of what I was looking for, a nice dark green. And if I'm going to be honest, my wife actually picked this color, but we agreed on it, but she picked the color. We actually both chose the same color in a book of hundreds of colors, but yeah, it's green, Mike. It's green. It's a nice dark forest green. Aha! But let's get up close. You ready? Here we go, guys. Look at this. Tell me that is not beautiful, like we're ripping through a galaxy. Yeah. Amazing. Look at this. The depth and the clarity and the sparkle is just so amazing. Shout out to Damon's Collision, Lloyd Damon, for doing this paint job. So if you see any debris, it's not in the paint. It's simply stuff that sat on it from being on this table overnight. And I'm not wiping it off right now. But we are going to put our L48 badges on here. Isn't that something? That is the color we decided to go with. And you see those hues of gold in there, right? There's little blues, and there's almost like, I don't know, purples and pinks, but it's very prism. But it's not over the top. You pull back, and in the sun, this thing is just, blinds you. Of course, there is no sun today, but when we had this in the sun yesterday, oh, yeah, it is the next day. Look at this color. Somebody said these were plastic. These are not plastic. These ones are metal. These are very nice. They were pricey, but I forget what they were now. But they're nice, and they're going to go in this area, right in that general vicinity. So what I need to do is find my straight edge. Boom, go like that. I'm going to peel this off. It has quality 3M adhesive, and we're going to stick those on right now to make sure they're never coming off and kind of embedded in the clear. So one at a time. There is no specific right and left. I take the angle of the hood, align it up to that angle, and we're going to come down about right to there. Make sure we're here. I'm going to keep it straight with the top edge about down to about the middle. Probably about right there, and boom, L48. There we go. Yeah, it's an L48. It's not the high horsepower motor. Or the high, they weren't any of them those years. So I think that looks good. Yeah. I think that looks pretty darn good right there. Pop it on there. She's pretty level. She's pretty nasty. Right there. There we go. I think we're good to go. Right in that vicinity. Yes, we are. Boom, boom, boom. I'm not going to press too hard because it's on fresh paint. It's on fresh paint, boys and drools. I think that's pretty even across there. Good. Not too shabby. Close enough for government work. So for everybody who says, no way you got that on, just eyeball it. Just to show you how close I got this. I'm going to put this light little cloth on here. So we're going to do it to the 8 right there. And the edge of the 8 over to the other side. And the reason I'm doing this because I don't want to scratch anything. And this is nice and light. So if we go to the 8 there, to the eye there, like I said, hopefully you guys can see that. So that's... Hope you guys can see how straight that is across there. It helps to have a good eye. But, all right, what do you think, guys? Color, tell me. That looks good. Now, it's probably going to have some shrinkage later on. It's probably going to have some shrinkage. It's probably going to show through some of my horrible bodywork later on when it shrinks. And say horrible. Remember, this car was in a fire. So I'm doing everything the best I can do, and I'm trying to cover everything and make it look good the best that I can do. You're probably going to see fiberglass cracks later on in the future. I don't know. But all I know right now is this thing looks so good. Reminds me of the bullet color, but just more pop to it, just more depth. I'm digging it. Guys, once again, hit the like button, share, subscribe, comment in the comment section below. Do you like this color? Do you like this color green? Does this suit a C3 Corvette? Does this suit, look at this. And the badges look so good on there, right? They look so good. And they're in the position I want them. It doesn't have to be what you want. Maybe you don't want them on there. But man, I do. I think it looks fantastic. Oh, yes. Look at this. See what I'm saying? Shim Cheyenne. Doesn't that look good? There you go. I see a little better. I can get a little more close. Yeah, that definitely looks killer. I'll be talking to you soon, guys. Stay tuned. I'm going to finish up the bodywork on this car. We'll get it in paint and do the big reveal very soon. Peace out. Bye.